This is the main floor. There is a very large window at the front and at the rear of the home, so the main floor is very, very bright. Three-sided fireplace and an enormous dining space. Currently there is a 6-person table, but you could easily get an 8, 10, possibly even a 12-footer there. We are on the second floor, starting in the 5-piece master ensuite. And we're just going to do a pan. Huge, beautiful window, lots and lots of trees out there. This room currently has a king-size bed and 2 large nightstands. Walk-in closet. And then we can see down the hall to the other main bath, 2 bedrooms and upper laundry. Here we are in the basement. This section here is currently being used as kind of a craft area or office. That could easily be a 5th bedroom for this house. There's the stairwell and a 4-piece bathroom just behind the exercise equipment there, which does have a connecting door to that bedroom.